So in this question, we're asked about another rational fractional limit. And so we're always going to be looking for the biggest power. So 52 is greater than 49. And e to the x is the only thing. And so the real question is, this is really big, right? 52 is huge. But exponential, as x gets big, this will far outstrip 52. This will be 1,000, 100,000, a million, a billion, etc. And as this gets bigger and bigger, the exponential will always grow faster. And so what we have here is the limit, as x approaches infinity, of big over relatively small. Relatively small. Because even though this is huge, this is way bigger. And so our answer, if we have something big divided by something relatively small, will be infinity. So you could either say infinity or does not exist. Okay. Now let's look at the next one. The only difference is that we're now going to negative infinity. So what that means is, again, this is going to be our largest power in the denominator. So we're going to have x to the 52. And when I plug something in that's negative but big, this is an even exponent. So this is going to be, again, huge in the denominator. And so what really matters is this big or small? Well, when I put a negative number in here, this becomes e to the negative big which is the same as 1 over e to the positive big, because that negative exponent sends us to the denominator. Well, 1 over large equals 0, or at least very, very small. So the numerator is now small, and the denominator is huge. Well, when you think about having just a little bit of money and dividing it by lots of people, that's going to be about 0, and that's our limit here. So this is the kind of thing that you would need to show by hand in order to get credit on these challenge problems. We'll do one more.